Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to reset iPhone 7. So let's get into it. From the home screen, select Settings. Scroll down and select General. Select Reset. Select Erase All Content and Settings to reset device. Then select Erase iPhone. This will reset all settings to their defaults and erase all data stored on iPhone, including your contacts, messages, and music. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.